little pumpkin candle holder, very cute, some pigments, and then some Jesin. Well, let's go and see what happens, because I am going to try applying something to the sides. So, we'll see if it works. See you in a second. Hello, I hope you are well. As I said in the intro, I'm going to make this candle holder with Jesin, and I had the idea of applying Chameleon powder to the sides. I'm not sure it will work. What's more, I'm very uncertain about what color to use, as always. I took out magenta, but I'm not sure. I think I'll use golden instead. Well, let's get started. I'm going to put on gloves right away, because then I'll have powder all over me. You're going to get sick of me making candle holders. I'm telling you. I've got molds, so I've got to use them. I put my gloves, and I'm putting this on gently. I'm not going to apply it all over the sides. I don't know if it's going to work, because whether it's with the Jesmonite or the Jesin, which is a bit the same thing, I don't know if it's going to stick. I won't know until I try. The only way to know if something works is to try. So let's try. I don't apply the powder uniformly. I just put a little bit everywhere, unevenly. Each part of the side is different. I don't know how well this pigment will stick, or whether they will show when I take them out of the mold. I don't know. No idea. But try it, and you know. Okay, I'm going to remove a little bit of pigment where I don't want it, right at the base, with a little alcohol. It's 99% alcohol. I put the alcohol on a paper towel. You can do it with a cotton tip. It's even easier. Now we'll see what happens. It's done, it's cleaned. Pretty, isn't it? I'm putting it all back in place. Yes, but before I wanted to spray a little bit of alcohol from far away to fix my pigments. You see, just a little bit. I'll get my Jesin ready and see you in a second. It's ready. I'm going to continue with the pumpkin colors, even though Halloween is over. After all, this mold is shaped like a pumpkin. And of course, you can make it any color you like. I shake my pigments well. That's what Hamewaredesign recommends. 30 seconds of shaking. I have two from Hamewaredesign and one I bought with the Jesmonite, the first time I bought Jesmonite, from La Petite Épicerie on Etsy. Jesmonite, I remind you, is 2-part powder to 1 part liquid. Simple. A little simpler than Jesmonite. Since Jesmonite is 2.5 parts powder to 1 part liquid. Okay, my red. Let's see what kind of tint we get. So I'm going to remove the little colors from the bottle to be on the safe side. You'll see in another video that these little colors tend to fall into the mixture. I put 2 drops, that's a lot. I'll mix to see what color I get. These pigments from Hamewaredesign and Co are really fabulous. They're hyper pigmented, so you need very few. And the others, it's citrine. Why not? I've never tried it. A drop to start with. It's okay, it doesn't change the red too much. I'll add some yellow. I think I used 3 or 4 drops to really soften the red, and then mix carefully so that the color is very regular. Yes, it's not a bad color. I mix. Should I add more red? No. I'm going to leave some of this color. It reminds me of butternut pumpkin. I like butternut. Let's pour. Fingers crossed that I've got enough product. Normally, I've weighted it, but well, you know, I'm having problems with quantities at the moment, and yes, I'm not going to have enough. I don't understand my scale. I have weighted, I have added extra weight, and now I'm short. It annoys me. So, for some molds, it works great. You weight it, you get the right quantities. For example, my small tray mold, no problem. But once again, I'm short of product. Yes. Oh my goodness. Not much, but it's not full. It's getting on my nerves. Really getting on my nerves. I can't believe it. I can take another batch, of course, but I wouldn't have the same color. It's complicated to get the same color. Ooh, it annoys me. Look, I'm missing half a centimeter at the most. Oof. I clean the sides. Oh my gosh. Half centimeter. Oh. So let's see if I've got enough depth. It will be a bit shorter, if I may say so. And I'll have to sand. Oh, no, it will be ugly. Right, come on. I'm going to clean my tools and I'm going to take another Jesin bath. Well, I've taken another batch. I completed my mold. I didn't film it. I just mixed my pigment and crossed my finger that I'd get an almost similar color. But I'm sure that wouldn't be too lucky. It's impossible to get the same color from 2 different batches. I had overdone, so I poured into another simple candle holder mold. Okay, let's unmold. I'll complete the other candle holder mold with another color later. Let's try to unmold and have a surprise. Will my Chameleon powder? I've left a print. We'll see. Hey. Yes, I can see. You don't. I roll a little to the side. It will be a little easier. I speed the video. Oh dear. Oh, you can see. I don't want you to see right away. Mm, and voila. Well, what about my chameleon powders? Yes, they are perfect. Does it come off when I rub? Well, no. But I'm going to put something on it anyway. I'll either apply some kind of varnish or a waterproofer. There are still a few white streaks, I think because of the mixing, but it's not so bad. The color isn't even, and I think it's better. Oh, I like it. I'm very happy. I can very slightly see the line between the two layers of Jesin, but very, very slight. I'm happy, I'm happy. And look, you can see my powder. It's very pretty. With jasmonite or Jesin, you can use real candles, unlike with resin. With resin, never put candles in it. Let's just say that as long as the candle is big, no, it's not a problem. But as soon as it reaches the resin, the problems start and the resin softens. Oh, I love the colors. I don't know if you remember this one. So the color is a little bit different. There you could really see my demarcation, and I have to make a little adjustment. But now I don't have to. I'm so happy. Well, with Jesin, it works with the chameleon powders. I'm totally satisfied. Some photos in Delage. Really, I think the result is very pretty. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my new subscriber. Don't hesitate to subscribe, it's free. Well, we'll be meeting again soon for new adventures. Don't forget the little thumbs up and the comment, of course. Take care of yourself. Bye.